Let's go. Game.
Well played.
Unahin muna natin itong ano. Corrosion. Sana magaling tong Hilda eh.
Your turn, Muddles. Brick flame.
Ano yung ano ah? Lag yung Mia nila. Habulin sa ng Hilda eh. Gagi.
More than a doll.
Agawan pa ako ng Hilda eh. Nagawang gagi.
Stay close.
Grabe naman
Look
yan.
at them, wandering like pathetic abandoned dolls.
Ayaw kong patabain. G. Sukin mo.
Launch attack. Okay.
G. Yan.
Stay close.
Yan. G. G. Pasukin mo. Hindi mo pala kaya. Gawan mo pa yung ano.
Time for some needlework. Stay close.
Yan. Huli ka tuloy. Kakaasargan ito mga kabatak na ano, mga kampi. Paano ka naman ito tataba pag ganyan ang kasama mo?
Just a small fight, like playing house.
Hindi sa tulungan ka.
An ally has slain the turtle.
Inaagawan ka pa.
Stay close.
Ito na kaya yung Mia. Hindi na lumabas yung Mia. Siguro lang yung Mia na yun. Ano to?
Request backup. Okay. Give up. An enemy has been slain.
Wala man lang. Gara. Ang gara ng ano. Ang Hilda, gagi. Patak sa laro ah. Ayaw mga kill. Gusto sa kanilang kill ah. Yun, uwi tuloy ako.
Attack. Okay.
Sayang yung kabatak. Yan, yung ayaw ko kabatak na iniiwan ako lagi. Pag ako marksman tapos yung tank namin iniiwan ako.
Stay close.
Nakakaano yung mga kabatak. Hindi makakapaglaro ng maayos nito.
An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been
Sana all sinusuportahan. Nandun talaga, sabi na. Nandun sa bush eh. Sana all inaalalayan.
How are you? Oh, wait. I just realized. I don't care. Initiate retreat. Understood. An ally has slain the turtle. Request back. Understood.
Nandun yung hila sa taas eh.
I'm not alone. I have my dog. Stay close. Catch up. You have slain an enemy. Stay close. My life, my choice.
Ano pa ngayon?
Stay close.
Oops. Antik na ako dun ah.
Good girls avoid trouble, while I make it. An enemy has been slain.
Ano lang tayo dito mga kabatak. Wala eh, wala tayong maaasahan eh.
Stay close. Launch attack. Killing spree. Destroyed a turret. Stay close. Killing spree.
Papatayin sila dun sa taas.
Ult is not ready.
Wala dito yung ano.
Stay close.
Wala yung
Ally has been slain. Somebody mega kill. Shut down.
Sakit.
Mega kill.
Grabe. Grabe si
Gather
Eve.
up the turtle. Launch attack.
Pinagawa mo
Understood.
dito? Ba't nandito ka pa?
They give me my fees. I fill their needs.
Wala ka namang
Fair
ano.
deal.
Wala ka namang ambag.
Ally has been slain. Stay close. Hit. An enemy has been slain.
Maagawan mo lang ako ng kill. Yan lang. Alam mo.
Stitch a real noisy mouse right away. Team destroyed a turret. Gather up the turtle.
Turtle ako.
Stay close. Request backup. An enemy has been slain. Stay close. Stay close. Your turn, Metal. An enemy has been slain. Ally has been slain. Killing
Grabe. Ito mo yung mga kabato. Di man lang ako binibigyan ng kill. Grabe. Batak maglaro si ano ah. Hilda. Larong-laro mga kabata.
The distance between life and death is shorter than my needle. Unstoppable! You destroyed a turret! Request back. Understood. Ult is not ready. Request. The distance between life and death is shorter than my needle. My needle is more than a doll sewing tool. Launch attack. Skill up. You have slain an enemy. Slay shut down. Enemy killing spree.
Load tayo,
Request
load,
backup.
load.
Gather up the Lord. Okay. Stay close. Request backup. Understood. Initiate retreat. Understood. Request backup. Understood. Understood. Launch attack. An enemy has been slain. Launch attack. Stay close. And hit rampage. Request backup. You have slain an enemy. Shut down. Double kill.
Nagpa-farm pa yun.
If only she could see.
Larong-laro yung mga kasama ko, mga kabata. Ayaw nila magpaawat.
My ally has slain Orb. Stigmas? Stigmas? Get lost. Killing spree. Mega kill.
Ano na to?
Double kill.
Ano? Napos niya.
Destroyed a turret.
Yun. Nakala din na. Batak.
Victory.
Ano po? Yun.